In this video, I'll show you step by step how to clean and optimize your email list for better deliverability and engagement. By removing outdated or unresponsive email addresses, you'll see improved open rates, higher click-through rates, and better overall email performances. It's time to declutter and revitalize your email list. If you're ready to clean up your email list and optimize your email marketing efforts, then this video is for you. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of these valuable tips. Let's dive in and get your email list clean. So the first step is to search for this website called MailFloss. And we want to scroll down and make sure that we click on this link right here. So MailFloss is a tool that allows us to automatically remove invalid email addresses before they become a problem. And that means it stops your emails from bouncing or ending up in the spam folders or becoming restricted or blacklisted. Now you can sign up for free. It gives you a 7-day free trial, and it also comes with a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the service. But in my experience, it's very accurate. I think it has a 99.9% accuracy rate, so it's a really great platform and it's very affordable. So you want to go ahead and register if you haven't already by clicking here, or start your free trial. But if you already have an account, you can go ahead and log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And here inside my account, you can see that I've done quite a bit of cleaning this year, or flossing as they call it. So I've cleaned almost 25,000 leads so far this year. And as I said, it's very affordable. So once you sign up for free, you'll also get some free credits that you can start testing this method out with. You can also purchase prepaid credits that you can get started with right away. Now, one of the first things you want to do when you jump into your account is click on the payment and plan section. And you can go ahead and choose one of the subscription plans, or you can buy some prepaid credits, but you're going to first want to add your credit card. So you can go ahead and click add payment method and add a credit card or a PayPal account that you want to use. I've already added my card right here, so I'm good to go. From there, you want to go to the subscription plans, or you want to buy prepaid credits. I prefer to buy the prepaid credits because I don't use that much and I don't use them on a monthly basis. So this one is good for me. I like to purchase the 10,000 credits, and I like to purchase 1 or 2 when I do. And this gives me more than enough credits to clean all the leads that I'm bringing in on a monthly basis. Now, once you've added your payment method, it's time to go ahead and upload your email list to begin cleaning. So you can click right here that says upload, and then you can choose the upload option that you want. So for me, I'm gonna choose upload a CSV file. And I'm going to upload the file that I did in my previous video on how to build an email list. If you haven't seen that video, it should be popping up on your screen right now. Go ahead and click that video. It will show you how I build massive email lists. I'm talking like 10,000 new leads per day in any niche using nothing but YouTube, and it's 100% free. And not only is it free, but the leads are high quality that gets you conversions, gets you sales, whether you're selling your own products or services or you're looking for affiliate commissions. So that's an excellent method that I don't think many people are aware of. So go ahead, click the link on the screen, watch that video, and then come back to clean your list. So let me go ahead and upload that list right now. So it will be this one right here. And MailFloss will just ask you to confirm the email column. So I'm going to click confirm. And then again, I'm going to confirm right here. And I'm going to ensure that the deep clean is on. And I'm going to click yes, I'm sure. So then the cleaning or flossing process will begin. And once it's done, they're going to notify us by email. Or you can just come back and refresh our page and we will see the clean list. So we're at the 100% and it's going to take a few more minutes to complete. And then we can see all of the valid emails that we have. And we can go ahead and import those into our autoresponder and begin to send out our emails. Okay, so MailFloss has gone through all of the email addresses and they have cleaned all the invalid email addresses out. So when we jump over to our dashboard, this is how it will look. So let's just scroll down and we can see all of the leads right here. So what we want to do is export all valid emails. So let's click on this option right here. And let's click here to download the file. And it will ask you where you want to download the file. So just choose a folder. I'm going to choose my desktop. And then let me go ahead and save that. And let's open the file to see what it looks like. Okay, so this is our clean email leads. If you remember, we started out with 213 leads. And now we have 190, as you can see here. So 23 of those leads were removed because they were invalid. And really, the email column is the only one that is important for this file, so we can go ahead and delete the rest of this, and then we can import this column into our autoresponder. And that is it. That is basically how we can go ahead and clean our email leads using MailFloss. I've added a link to MailFloss in the description below. If you use that link, you will get 500 free credits once you sign up for free, and I will also get some credits as well, so it's a win-win. And thank you again so much for watching this video. If you found value in it, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow, and it motivates me to keep doing these videos to help you make money online and build thriving businesses. Also, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I upload another video. And lastly, if someone that you know could benefit from this video, go ahead and share it. Now, thank you again so much for watching, and there will be another video on the screen right now that might be relevant to you. Go ahead and click the video, watch that video, and I'll see you in the next one.